Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy ways to fix multiplayer issues. Step number one is check server status. Before diving into potential fixes, ensure that the Risk of Rain 2 servers are up and running. Visit official forums of the game's social media channels like Twitter, Reddit, and etc. to check for announcements about server, downtime, or maintenance. For step number two is to verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files may cause connectivity issues. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on the Risk of Rain 2, select Properties, navigate to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them. Step number three is to check your internet connection. Restart your router or modem and test your internet speed to ensure it's sufficient for online gaming. Step number four is reinstall the game. If all else fail, uninstall and reinstall the game to fix any persistent issues that might caused by game corruption. For the last step is to check for game updates. Make sure both you and your friends are on the latest version of Risk of Rain 2. So open your game launcher and check for any available updates. Multiplayer issues can arise when players are using different versions of the game. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!